I did it once again. I overtraded. I broke my rules. I'm an idiot. I ain't gonna lie. I'm an idiot. This week on Monday, I made 510 bucks. Tuesday, I lost 429 bucks simply because I overtraded. I took 3 trades on Tuesday and I took 3 trades today. So the common denominator is like when you trade more, you have a higher chance of losing. And that's what I realized, cuz once I take the first L, it's like I'm like, yo, I got to get my get back. Anytime I place more than one trade, I don't look at it as I'm revenge trading. I be like, I'm getting my get back. But it ends up oh my god. This is gonna be a quick ass video. Today I lost $412 today. Mind you, I was up $2.5 thousand starting this week. Now I am up, like, in terms of profitability, I'm up 1.8K. I'm slacking, brother. I'm slacking. I've been slacking with the journaling. I've been slacking with the over trading. It's like on Tuesday, I'm not gonna lie, I seen a lot of videos that everybody was getting bamboozled. But today, let me just show y'all what I did. This is the first trade I took. Right, so in the morning, I was watching CNBC, and they were saying how Snap is up 16%, something crazy, right? So when the market opened, this is 10 minutes into the market opening. I never trade within the first 30 minutes, but I seen the overall market dropping at first. So I'm like, Snap, I don't think Snap could withhold this high ass price. I feel like it's overvalued. So I seen the price decreasing like crazy. The price, I got in right here. Right here. It went down just a smidge, instantly reversed. When I talk about like my heart dropped, like I couldn't even breathe properly no more. I had to use my breathing technique because I stopped breathing. Bro, I was up, this little move, I was up like $100. And then it went like, I got it right here. The first L of the day, $400. But the crazy part is, it went up and it went down to my TP. But I wasn't gonna hold it. Like, this shit is too high, $8.51, and I got in at $8.17. Like, nah, that's retarded. That's stupid. So that was the first trade that I sold on. On to the next one. Okay, so then I took 2 Bank of America trades. Yeah, I took 2 Bank of America trades. So this was the first one. Again, the market was decreasing, so let me see. Yeah, so I hopped in a little bit late, but that's because I was indecisive, being that I just lost $400. So I was indecisive, and I hopped in at the third candle. I hopped in at the start of a third candle, and it dropped down tremendously. It dropped down to 52.98, but I didn't sell until I think this candle where it rose up a little. So I only made like $40 off of this play. Like, so I was like, okay, I'm down 360. That's better than 400. And then I'm looking at the market, and I was looking at SPY. So I was looking at SPY, and let me see, where are we right now? I was looking at SPY to hit this fair value gap and then bounce back like to these lows or below this low. Now, it never hit the fair value gap on SPY. It just, like, it peaked right here for a little, and it dropped here. So I'm looking at Bank of America at this point, and it did the same thing. Where was it? It passed the fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, but it respected this supply zone. So once it bounced off, I hopped in right here because I'm thinking, you know, we're still bearish. Like, this is like overall for the day. The whole early like morning session was bearish. So I'm like, bro, what the fuck? So boom, I hop in right here. As soon as I hop in, wishy-washy, that shit start out of nowhere. Boom. It was wishy-washy for like about an hour, bro, and then out of nowhere it just increased like crazy, and I hopped out right here. But I don't want to drag this video for too long, bro. I broke my rules. I overtraded in the snap trade. I over leveraged. I don't know what I was thinking. In my head, it's like, I'm like, yo, the cheaper the stocks are, let me just buy more contracts since it's cheaper. Like, it's not gonna hurt me. That shit hurts. It hurts a lot. Look at Bank of America now, dumping. I wish it did that when I was in the trade. That'd be nice. If y'all wanna watch my journey, I'm trying to reach 5K profitability, hopefully by the end of the year. I'm not, you know what, I'm not trying to put a date on it, but whenever I reach it, I reach it. I just want to reach 5K in profit. It's just a milestone. It's just a mental milestone, $5,000. And I'll probably take $1,000 out, you know, to use for myself. So I know it's like, it feels more real. Like, yes, I'm making this money online, but I haven't touched anything whatsoever. So I take $1,000. I'm like, wow, like, I'm really paying myself. Let me work harder to make more and more money. That's my mindset on it. If y'all enjoyed this video, like, sub. It's your boy Jizo Trades. Catch you in the next video.